Om Shanti children, I welcome you all in maths class. In maths class children, we are doing 3D shapes these days. So in today's class, we are going to study in detail about these shapes, and we are also going to learn how to make these shapes. So first shape which we are going to talk about is your cube. Yes, cube is a 3D shape, and let's see how to make this shape. So children, let's start to make a cube. For making a cube, we require your plastic clay. I have made these balls out of this plastic clay. You can also make use of dough of which you eat roti, and we require these toothpicks. You can also use matchsticks or any other kind of sticks which are available in your house. So let's start to make a cube. So children, we are going to make these small balls out of this clay. You take a little bit of clay in your hand and just roll it, and you can easily get the balls like this. So I have made here some balls, and now we are going to join them. So keep these 4 balls here in a shape of a square. I hope you can see. Now we are going to put this toothpick in one ball, and in the other I am going to join like this. In the same way, we are going to put sides of the cube. Now we are going to take some more toothpicks and going to put them in these balls. We are going to put it on the top. Now again we are going to repeat the process which we have done in the first step, that is putting the toothpicks in these circles. So see children, our cube is ready. So now we are going to understand about the edges and corners of the cube. So now you can see how many corners are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 8 corners. Corners are also called vertices. Now the edges. What are edges children? Edges are the line segments which joins the corners. So now let us count the edges. 4 edges on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottom, and these animal 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges a cube has? 12. Now let's study about the faces of a cube. Okay. So now faces of a cube, I told you that a cube, a die is also a cube of which you play Ludo. So there are 6 numbers on a die. It means it has 6 square faces, because a cube has all dimensions equal. So it has 6 square faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can easily see in this figure also. So I hope children you have understood how to make a cube. So you also try to make it. Children, the next shape is cuboid. For making this shape, we require 4 sticks of same length and 8 sticks of different length. So let's start to make it. So children, we are going to take these balls which I have made of clay, as I told you, in cube, and we are going to put this pencil like this. Then we are going to take 2 more balls, and again we are going to put pencil. You can take any stick, but remember that they should be of the same length. Now the stick of another length, we are going to put it on the top and at the sides also. So same process. Now on the top we are going to put these balls. Now again the pencils on the top. Picks we are going to insert here. So see children, our cuboid is red. So see, it is looking so colorful and so wonderful. So you also make it like this. See, this is our cuboid. Now let's learn about their corners, edges and faces. So a cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then it has your 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many edges are there? Edges are the line segments which joins the 2 corners. So how many edges? 12 edges. Now let's count the edges of this colorful cuboid. So starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges a cuboid has? It has 12 edges. So children, now you also make a wonderful cuboid.
We will learn about cone, cylinder and sphere in the next video.